All right, it's a new day. Let's put in a new color. So yellow's in there already, and today we're gonna try for green. I finished the green grid, and now I'm gonna pop it on a punty. Okay, we got my bridge. Let's attach it to a punty. Okay, my grid's done, and now it's time to put it into the cube. All right, here we go. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Okay. All right. Oh no. Okay, this is not great. Okay, I think I have two sides attached. Oh! Oh! Oh no. Okie dokie. Let's try that all again. Oh no. You guys, what am I doing here? Oh. Oh.